Hey friends, welcome to today's creative Vinyasa flow. Roll out your mat and come join me for the next few minutes. Beginning in Tadasana, mountain pose. Inhale, your arms up to the sky. Exhale to fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your hands, step back to downward facing dog. Breathe here. Inhale, your right leg will lift. Exhale, step between your hands, rise up to crescent pose. Make sure you're high on that back foot, heel lifted, arms reaching up to the sky. Open up to warrior two, rotating your back foot 90 degrees. Float your back arm down to your thigh, right arm over top, stretching long through your side body. Open back up to warrior two. Plant your right hand down to the ground. Reach your left arm over across your ear. Take a big inhale. Lift your right arm up off the ground to balance. Open back up to warrior two. Cartwheel your hands down to the ground. Lower your back knee. Bring your right knee back to meet it. And we'll take a few cat-cows here. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale to rise to downward facing dog. Pedal through your feet. Inhale, your left leg will rise. Exhale, plant it between your hands. Raise up to crescent pose. Crown stacked over shoulders, knee stacked over ankle, arms reaching long overhead. Exhale, open up to warrior two. Inhale, right arm drops to your thigh, left arm raises up overhead. Inhale, back open to warrior two. Exhale, left arm drops, right arm goes up overhead. Pressing your left knee into your left tricep. Inhale, raise your left arm up for a balance pose. Inhale, back open to warrior two. Inhale, cartwheel your hands down, dropping your knee, bringing your knees together. Inhale for a cat-cow. Inhale, push back up to downward facing dog. Pedal through your feet. Inhale, lowering to your knees. Exhale into child's pose. Inhale, raise up to all fours. Exhale, lower your chin, chest, down to the floor. Lower onto your belly and lift up to cobra pose. Inhale, push back to downward facing dog. Pedal through your feet, stretch it out. Walk your feet up to meet your hands. Inhale to halfway lift. Exhale, plant your hands to forward fold. Inhale, raise up to chair pose. Exhale to mountain pose. Great job today. I hope you enjoyed today's creative Vinyasa flow. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified of future content. And make sure to check out my Instagram. The link is in the description.